Ever heard of a mountain built from pure love and paint? Welcome to Salvation Mountain, a truly unique Technicolor masterpiece in the California desert. This incredible folk art environment was created over decades by one man, Leonard Knight, who wanted to spread a message of universal love. It's a vibrant, hand-painted hill made of adobe straw and thousands of gallons of paint, all covered in murals, biblical verses, and colorful whimsy. Stepping onto Salvation Mountain feels like entering another dimension. Every surface bursts with color, offering endless photo opportunities and a truly uplifting vibe. It's a testament to passion and perseverance, completely free to visit and open to everyone. Just remember, it's art, so be respectful as you explore. If you're looking for an unforgettable road trip stop, this is it. And here's a bonus tip: Salvation Mountain is just a stone's throw from the fascinating, eerie landscape of the Salton Sea, making it the perfect quirky duo for an epic desert adventure. Don't miss it.